In case you're moving over from one e-commerce platform to another, you will also need to transfer all of your Omnisend assets to your new store's account. And in this video, I will show you the exact 5 things that you need to do. Before we begin, I just want to mention that there's 2 different ways of doing this. You can either register a new Omnisend account and add it as an admin to your original account by going to Account Management, Users, Add User, or connect your new store to your existing Omnisend account from Account Management, Register Store. Either method will allow you to easily transfer all of your business assets the exact same way. Now that being said, let's get into it with number 1, transferring your contact list. First, you want to export your contact list from your original account by going to Audience, Exports, New Export, select All Contacts, and download the contact list. Next, navigate to your new store by clicking Switch Store and selecting it from the list, and import your contact list by clicking Add Contacts, opening the wizard for File Import, and dropping in the previously exported file. Finally, map the contact properties that you want to import. And if you want to import subscription statuses, scroll down to where it says email opt-in date and email opt-out date and map them accordingly. Contacts without an opt-out date will be imported as subscribers, while contacts with an opt-out date will be imported as unsubscribers. The same process applies to SMS subscription statuses. Unfortunately, the engagement data of your contacts does not get exported. That's why we suggest number 2, transferring segments based on recent engagement. Having at least some recent engagement data will make warming up your new account much easier. Let's see how it's done. First, go back to Audience of your original store and create a few segments that you would like to transfer. Some great ideas for you are clicked email campaign link in the last 60 days and opened email campaign in the last 30 days. Next, go to Segments and export the desired segments. Finally, download them from the Export tab. Now import these segments into your new store the same exact way you imported your entire contact list, and make sure to tag these contacts. Don't worry, when you import, duplicates will not be created. These tags will be added to existing contacts. Finally, create the segments in your new store using filtering by tag. Now, with your contact list imported and organized in your new store, it's time for number 3, transferring automation workflows. First, to copy automation workflows, go to Automation in your original store and click Copy next to the workflow that you want to transfer. And finally, select your new store as the destination. Keep in mind that the workflow is going to be saved as a draft in your new store, so don't forget to enable it and monitor the reports to confirm that everything is running smoothly. Note that some automation triggers work differently on different e-commerce platforms, so make sure to check the specifics about your new e-commerce platform in our knowledge base. Step number 4, transferring your email templates. If you have any email designs that you would like to save and reuse in your new store, you can save them as templates. To do that, open up the editor for the desired email, click on the arrow next to Save, and click Save as Template. Now, to copy this template to your new store, go to Store Settings, Settings, Saved Templates, and click Copy next to that template. Finally, select your new store as the destination. This template is now going to be available in your new store's email editor under Templates, Saved Templates. Last but not least, number 5, downloading your invoices and transferring your subscription plan. In order to not lose all previous invoices associated with your original store, go to Account Management, Billing History, and download the invoices that you want to keep. And finally, once you're done moving all of these Omnisend assets, just drop our support team a message and they will happily move your current subscription plan over to your new store and delete the old one. To recap, here are the 5 exact steps to migrating to a new Omnisend account. First, import your contact list, and then transfer some recent engagement segments. Next, copy automation workflows, and copy email templates. Finally, download invoices and transfer your subscription. For more detailed information, check out our knowledge base, and if you run into any difficulties, don't hesitate to contact our 24/7 support.